the heartbeat of Bethany, Ontario.
This year's Studio Art and Heritage Tour is on Saturday, May 13th and Sunday, May 14th, which is Mother's Day. There are several artists participating this year, and a number of local historic landmarks will be open to the public. Among the many artists, you'll meet Darcy Vanderveen, who will be showcasing her ink drawings at the old grain elevator in Pontypool. Kyla Vitek will be showcasing her silver and gold jewelry that is handmade from ethically sourced precious metals and gemstones. Kathy Morton will be welcoming visitors at Aunt Laura's Tea Room, a historic working farmstead. Williams Design Studio will be featuring work by Paul and Beverly Williams, Wallpeg Studios, and others. And while you're there, check out the Secret Garden. You'll be able to visit the oldest restored freestanding post office in Ontario. On Saturday only, the Bethany Community Hub, located in the Bethany United Church, will be hosting several local vendors showcasing their homemade products. And when you're touring the area, please stop by Bethany Village and check out our spectacular country estate 1-acre building lots in the rolling hills of Bethany, Ontario.